We all heard it in science class. Space is silent, no air, no sound. But that's only half true. NASA's been sneaking microphones onto landers, turning antennas into ears, and suddenly, the universe is alive with hidden music. Ghostly howls, metallic rain, even the faint heartbeat of the galaxy itself. Today, we're going to eavesdrop on the cosmos. And the first track? It's coming from a cold red rock, 140 million miles away. February 18th, 2021. Perseverance lands in Jezero Crater, pops open to tiny microphones, and starts recording. 5 hours of pure alien audio. Soft, hollow howl. That's a 40-kilometer-per-hour breeze, sliding over basalt ridge. Martian air is thin, so sound moves like it's wrapped in cotton. Bass drops out. Treble is muted. Everything feels muffled, intimate. Now listen closer. Crunch, crunch, metallic grind. That's Perseverance's wheels, biting into ancient lava flows. Beneath it all, a faint mosquito whine ingenuity's rotor at 2,400 revolutions per minute, slicing through CO haze. Engineers thought it would be impossible to hear from that distance. The mix disagreed. These aren't novelty clips. They let scientists measure wind shear, track dust devils, and hear hardware fatigue before it fails. Real sound. Real science Martian style. No microphones could survive. Venus 900 degrees Fahrenheit and crushing pressure. But the old Soviet Venera landers felt every tremor through their metal legs, like hearing the bass of a concert from the apartment next door. Scientists sped those pressure waves up 100,000 times. Low. Slow thunder, that's the atmosphere. Itself 90 Earth pressures of carbon dioxide, hammering metal. A terrifying soundscape. Cameras can't show that, but the rumbles mapped how Venus's thick air churns over its molten plains. Swing past the asteroid belt, and Jupiter greets you not with thunder, but with whistles. Juno's magnetometer catches invisible radio waves. Tuned down for human ears? Whooping whistle rising. Falling, that's electrons, surfing Jupiter's magnetic fields, like kids sliding down a cosmic water park. Each pitch change tells us plasma density, field flips, even aurora strength. Jupiter doesn't roar. It sings like a kettle on the boil. Cassini's final dives skimmed Saturn's inner rings, its dust detector ticking like raindrops. Tick, 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 every tick, a grain vaporizing against the hole, timed with the spacecraft's spin. Speed it up, and it's a downpour of steel marbles. Those impacts weighed the rings, revealing their light, young and shockingly. One day, Saturn's jewelry may vanish, and the only record of its death rattle will be sound. Voyager 1 slips beyond the sun's protective bubble. Its plasma wave detector cachaws subtle vibrations, tuned into sound. Deep cello tone rising. Then steady, that swell marks the moment our ship left the solar system and entered interstellar space. The sun's domain ended. The galaxy's ocean began. You are hearing the sound of humanity crossing the border into the stars. Most cosmic events don't make sound at all. They make light, X-rays, gravitational ripples. So, scientists cheat. They map data to music. Picture the whirlpool galaxy. X-rays become woodwinds. Visible light becomes brass. Infrared becomes strings. Rotate the dataset, and the spiral arms become a melody expanding into a cosmic orchestra. Astronomers have literally discovered new star clusters because the sonified data sounded off-key. In space, music really can mean discovery. Two black holes spiral, merge, and ring space-time like a drum. LIGO records the ripple, slows it down, and presses play. Sharp rising chirp. That chirp is space-time itself being stretched and squeezed. The pitch encodes the black hole's mass. The length reveals their spins. It's like listening to two invisible giants dance, collide, and vanish billions of light years away. This isn't just fun for nerds. Sonification makes astronomy accessible for the blind, who can hear datasets their peers only see. A blind scientist once corrected a mislabeled supernova just by listening. And for everyone else, sit makes the universe visceral. Not silent diagrams on a chalkboard, but living vibrations you could feel in your chest. So is space silent? Only if you define sound as air shaking your ear. Strap on the right sensor, and space is a symphony. Whispers of plasma, drums of pressure, violins of lights mapped into melody. The silence was never out. Derek was only in our ears. Next time someone says space is quiet, cue up Voyager's cello note, Jupiter's whistles, or Saturn's metallic rain. Watch their face change. The cosmos isn't mute. It's been singing the whole time. We just had to learn how to listen.